everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to launch two different websites in two different tabs in Selenium. So generally whenever we are launching any automated test case, it will first launch our browser and with the single tab we are doing all the operation. But at the same time, if you want to launch another website in second tab, so that time how you should do that? So Selenium 4.0.0 version introduced one new feature, that is new window type concept. So with that particular feature we can launch two different websites in two different tabs on the same browser. So let me go to the Maven repository section, because you have to download the particular dependency and you have to add that particular dependency in pom.xml file. So I am going to that particular website. Just type Selenium Maven dependency and click on the first link. So it will redirect to Maven repository website, and here you will find out many version of Selenium 4.0.0. okay, so just click on 4.0.0 alpha 6. So you will get the dependency for that. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to add this particular dependency in pom.xml file. So let me go to the Eclipse. So I have already copied and pasted here all the dependencies. So Selenium 4.0.0 alpha 6 dependency I have already added under pom.xml file. So if we go to this pom.xml file here, so this is my pom.xml file and I have already added the dependency. After that you have to save the dependency. You have to save the pom.xml file, because whenever you will save the dependency or pom.xml file, that time Maven will be downloading all the jar files for that particular version. So no need to download or install jar files from the internet. This is the beauty of Maven project. Whenever you will add any dependencies and you will save the pom.xml file, then Maven will automatically download the jar files for that particular version. So where you will find that particular jar files? So just click on that Maven dependencies folder. So this is the Maven dependencies folder. Just click on that. You will find Selenium Java 4.0 alpha 6 jar files. So all the jar files are already added under Maven dependencies folder. Okay. So in future if you want to change the version from 4.0 to 4.1, then just change it here and you have to save the pom.xml file. Then Maven will download the particular jar file for 4.1 and it will add it under Maven dependencies folder. So these are the steps you have to follow. Okay, so first you have to download or you have to copy the dependency from the Maven repository website and you have to paste under pom.xml file. Because this new feature, new window type, so that new feature has been added on that particular 4.0 version. Okay, so if you are using below to that version 4.0.0, you will not get that particular feature. So you have to use 4.0.0 version. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create one new project, I'll create one new class. Under this class I'll show you guys how to launch two different websites in two different tabs. So this is my package, all test cases. Just select the package, right click new and select on class. Give some class name. So I'm giving different tab concept class, click on finish. Okay, so this new test already created under the package com.maven project all test cases. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll add the same code which I've already written in my previous tutorial. I'll copy this code and I'll paste it here. Okay, after that what I'll do, I'll add another WebDriver reference because I'm already using WebDriver, new Firefox driver, so I have to add another WebDriver reference here. So WebDriver driver1 equal to driver dot switch to dot new window. So this is the new feature by Selenium 4.0.0 version. Inside that you have to use window type. Look, this window type you have to use. Under that dot tab. Okay, and after that you have to use driver1 dot get string URL. Under that you have to launch the website. So I'm launching gmail.com here, and after that I'll quit the browser. Driver.quit method. Okay, so these are the steps we have to follow. So first I'm just setting the driver path. After that I'm initializing the WebDriver. Then I'm launching google.com, so it will launch in one tab. After that I'm maximizing the window. Now I am initializing another WebDriver reference, and with that I am using driver.switch2 method and new window type.tab. So this is the new feature by Selenium 4.0. So you have to use this new window feature. So whenever I use new window type.tab, it will open another new tab, and with that tab it will launch gmail.com. So let me check whether it is working or not. Just select the project, right click here, run as Java application. So it will launch in the tab. First tab is google.com and second tab is gmail.com. Correct? So these are the easy steps you have to follow. I'll mention each and every steps in my description box. So thank you for watching the video.